Alright everybody, so this week we are doing the gun. And basically it just I've slid it together enough. I think it won't break. It should not break. And then slide. I mean, look at that compared to my arm. And it's almost as long as my arm, you know. And a robot's gonna hold this thing up. I actually do like how this turned out. I don't know if I could find a way to get a couple robots to wheel this gun, but lots of detail, like the rocket booster, little, I think that's the bullet, if anybody can, I mean, that's the bullet right there. It's huge. Whew, thought I almost broke it. But anyway, so next video I will try to show how big this thing's gonna be. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that or if I'm gonna be able to. But if I'm not able to do that, this is gonna be the last video. That's all the parts for this. So this most likely will be a final. I don't think I will be showing it all painted and everything. It's basically just a tutorial on what I've done so far. And then my next 3D printed project will be a Space Marine. I have a file. I'm not sure how big it's going to be though. It's probably going to be, I want to say 7-8 inches tall, I think. So it'll probably be that tall if everything goes right. I am definitely going to do another Optimus Prime build and go from there. I don't know if I'll put that on YouTube or not, but we're going to start going back to doing some figures, doing a couple other things, the Warhammer stuff. Hopefully this time of year, you know, I try to do more figure painting because the weather changes. I don't have to worry about mixing the paint just right. I just pick up a brush, paint, and go from there. So, bye.